Ready to experience banking that's built for the future? Let's dive into how to open a Jupiter bank account. It's easier than you think. First things first, download the Jupiter app from your device's app store. Whether you have an Android or iOS-powered phone, you can search for Jupiter or click the link we'll have included in the description. Once downloaded, open the app. On the home screen, tap the Sign Up button to begin the registration process. Next, you will be prompted to enter your mobile number. Carefully type in your 10-digit number, following instructions, and tap Get Started. The app will then ask for permission to send SMS messages for verification purposes. Check your phone for the one-time password OTP you received via SMS. Enter this 6-digit code into the provided field and tap Verify. Now, you will fill in your basic details, including your full name, a valid email address, and create a strong password associated with your account. The next step is to provide your PAN card details or upload your PAN card. The app will prompt you to enter your PAN card number for verification purposes. Following the PAN card details, you'll be asked to provide your full address details. These details are necessary and compliant with the banking regulations. After completing all the steps and ensuring all the information you entered is correct, tap to complete your application, and your bank account creation is complete. You've now successfully opened your Jupiter bank account. Congratulations on joining Jupiter. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.